Embio Diagnostics is the manufacturing SME and technology adopter of the GRIDIRON project. The AIR Institute is an organization aimed at the promotion and development of scientific research in the field of computer science and artificial intelligence, and it is leading the development of the GRIDIRON solution software and its integration with the RAMP platform. FIW Consulting is the coordinator of the GRIDIRON project and is responsible for the development of the business and commercial strategy. Every minute counts when processing DNA samples in the laboratory. Before the GRIDIRON project, the process took at least 4 hours to complete. Scientists had to count the cells with the help of a microscope and make the appropriate calculations. They then had to calculate the dilution factor to obtain the desired amount of cells per milliliter in an Eppendorf tube. The cell pellet was resuspended in 400 microliters of antibodies, and the 6-well cell culture plate was filled with 2 to 3 milliliters of culture medium. The mixture was aspirated and the contents were transferred into an electroporation cuvette. Lastly, the solution was collected from the cuvette and placed in a 6-well cell culture plate. This complex and time-consuming process has become accurate and fast thanks to the implementation of the GRIDIRON solution. GRIDIRON has implemented a ROSE AP, robotics-based open standard enablers for agile production, developed thanks to FIWARE. With the GRIDIRON project, we deployed the liquid handling robot. The ability to automate tasks with the liquid handling robot has given us the possibility to reduce sampling errors by 90%, fully automate the pivoting process and the dosing of the medium, as well as increase efficiency and precision by 80%. The ability to automate tasks with the electronic microscope has given us the possibility to get the final number of live and dead cells in a couple of seconds instead of minutes. Introducing the new robotic systems and semi-automation has helped us to reduce manufacturing time and improve time management, significantly reduce manual work, optimize laboratory workflow for a walkaway process, increase throughput, have a visual view of each workstation, follow the performance of each workstation in real time.